This happened to me 2 days ago. A man came to me and said, I'm really upset with my wife. I said, why? Because I just bought a very nice sunglass, and then I put my sunglass, and then I called my wife on FaceTime, and I showed her, look at my sunglass. And she said, it's ugly. When she said it ugly, the granddaughter who was nearby said, Grandpa, your sunglass is ugly. She's only 4 years old. You see how when you are young, you have no idea of discrimination or anything. We have been trained like this forever by people, negative people around us, our parents, our grandparents. Even when they pass away, since we are their genes, we carry those genes. We carry poverty genes. This is where we have to find a remedy. We have to find a remedy. I'm just working on Shreem Brzee on many, many levels with scientists. I will come up with it maybe in 6 months or at a year. It works. It will change your mindset. It will change your commitment. I saw people looting, and I asked myself, why are they looting like this? And then they're very, very happy to go and grab things and take it home to share with it family. I can see how important is money. And if we don't address the situation, the world will be in a big trouble. I'm not worried about politics or politicians. Let them deal with it. But I'm very convinced that they are not going to find a solution. They cannot. Just giving food stamps and some jobs here and there will not solve the problem. The problem will be solved only by you, by exercising your own inner wealth and actualize it. Because that's what you have to actualize, your wealthy soul. God created man in his own image. You are God. In his own image. There is no disparity at all. At the level of the soul, which is behind our mind, behind our life force, we are all God. So we have to exercise that. Now, what you do is you just go and close your eyes and then look at your third eye, which is the pineal gland. Focus attention there and keep on remembering Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee. Even when you are talking to other people, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem Brzee, Shreem. No, it's boring. How can I do that? It's not boring. It will be boring only for half an hour. And after the half hour, it will be bliss. Then even if you want to stop it, you cannot stop it. So the goal should be that it should be going within your pineal gland continuously. And if you get to that level, sky is the limit. A yogi said about when does the mantra work? The mind becomes, the mantra takes over and then the mind is not there. Mantram chetanam in Sanskrit, which means I close my eyes, there is nothing but the mantra is there. And if you get to that level, then manifestation happens all the time, right, left, up, down, everywhere. This is a spiritual science. You have to get to that level. So until you get to the level, you have to commit yourself to the practice. And then you have to set your goal and stick to your goal. And this is my goal. As I said a few minutes ago, it came to me that you have to put it in your third eye and then go into the third eye and then say the sound. Brzee.